Hey guys, so I've got the Corolla today, and you can hear there's a really interesting noise. Almost sounds like a knock. But it's not a knock because it doesn't really get louder when the engine's revved. In fact, it almost goes away. What I've noticed is when the wheel is turned, it stops. So the engine sounds like it's smooth as long as I'm running the wheel back and forth. But then when I stop, or get it back in the center or whatnot, it'd start to do it again. You can still kind of hear a little bit. What I think it is one of the belt pulleys. But I'm, for some reason, wanting to guess that possibly, I can't see it on the phone, the power steering pulley, because it actually looks like it's wobbling back and forth, and it seems to be, when the wheel is turned, it's not making that noise as much, probably because there's more tension going through the pump or something. But you can tell the rest of the motor actually sounds pretty good. But the pump pulley actually looks a little wobbly. I can't really focus it on my phone. So I wonder if the pump pulley is about to get out. Now it's not doing it at all. It just started making this noise the other day. So I was curious as to what it was because it was getting louder today. I don't know. If anybody has any feedback or may have experienced the problem with this particular car, again, 99 Toyota Corolla, 1.8 liter. Let me know.